Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain in Azure DevOps how to make a required field and how to make a required field with the events. So let's jump to the Azure DevOps port. Type dev.azure.com. If you have already access, it will land to your organization. And let's take example we have to do in this project online shopping cart required field with any in the custom field or the system field, anyone you can do the required field. Let's go to the organization settings, then go to the process, then we have to choose the project in which that project is available. So it is in Dev Agile project, and to make sure we will just confirm. You can see online shopping cart, it is available here. So let's come, we will do in the bug one required field. So we will try to do a required field with this custom one. So what we have to do that we have to click here, click edit, and then we have to go to the option and we have to just make it required. That's all. But what will happen in this case, as soon as you create any bug, then the bug environment will be a required field. Keep remember that. So this first option is covered. Now let's do with the event. That is little bit tricky. So for that we have to create a rule. So let's go to the rules now and create a new rule. We will create a rule on close, and there are conditions when you want to do that. So we will say that once we do the state change, and when we will take it as close, okay, and then we have to do the action, make it required, and then which field you want to do that. I am taking the field dev comments. That's all. Let's click save and let's see if it is been implemented. So let's go back to the project and go to backlog, and we have a bug already created. We will see with the closer, because this is telling because already it has been required. So let's see, we will try to close, then with the close event it's asking this. Let's see with the resolve, it's not a required field, but once we do a close, then it's a required field. So this is the event one we have verified. Okay, let's try to create a new bug, test bug 1, and you see this is the required field. That's the way you do the required field. Thank you very much.